This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass at home with soil. First, gather your supplies. You'll need organic wheatgrass seeds, a shallow tray with drainage holes, and good quality organic potting soil. Ensure your tray is clean and ready for planting. This simple setup is the foundation for healthy, vibrant wheatgrass right in your kitchen. Let's get started with preparing your seeds. Now, let's plant those seeds. After soaking your wheatgrass seeds for 8 to 12 hours, drain and rinse them well. Next, spread a 1-inch layer of organic potting soil evenly in your prepared tray. Gently sprinkle the soaked seeds densely over the soil surface, ensuring good coverage without burying them. This dense planting encourages a thick, lush crop. Proper care is crucial for healthy growth. After planting, mist the seeds daily to keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. For the first 2 to 3 days, cover the tray to create a humid environment, which aids germination. Once sprouts appear, remove the cover and place the tray in indirect sunlight. You'll see rapid growth with this method. It's time to enjoy your fresh wheatgrass. Harvest your wheatgrass when it's 6 to 8 inches tall, typically 7 to 10 days after planting. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the soil line. You can juice it immediately or store it in the refrigerator for a few days. With a little luck, you might even get a second harvest from the same tray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.